Hello everyone, this is Reena from Mrs. Reena's Cocoon. I hope you and your little one are fine, right? Yes, I welcome you all for our Day 17 English online reading class, and today's topic is how to make our children read a paragraph. So that I'm going to combine the previous classes, that's day 13, 14 and 16. Here we have a list of high frequency words which we taught our kids on day 13, right? And day 14 we have also taught them how to read CVC words using A vowel. And on day 16, that's our previous class, we learned how to teach CVC words using E vowel word. So now I'm going to combine all 3 days together and make your child read a paragraph. So here I'm going to draw a picture of a boy. His name is Ben. Okay. So when you are introducing a picture, you can just tell them the name of it and also use some of the vocabulary which you are going to use it in the sentence so that they will connect all these words while they are reading the paragraph. So here we have a boy. His name is Ben. Has a bat. What is it? A bat. And also a cat. This is a sentence. He is Ben. While writing the sentence, you should tell your child that a sentence begins with capital letter and ends with a full stop. And in this sentence, circle the sight words and also underline the words which they are supposed to split. Like B sound separately and N together. So they should read like he is B-N, Ben, like that. Second sentence, he has a bat and a cat. Here I used sight words and also A vowel words, CVC words, and E vowel CVC words. Again you should circle all sight words and also to make them easy to read, underline the split up like this. At, at. Now the next sentence. It is a red bat. The last sentence. The cat is on the mat. If you want, here you can draw a mat, picture of a mat. Now circle all the sight words. Here you have all the sight words so that your child can read easily. Now the next one is we are going to underline R separate and yet together, and while making them join together, red, B separately, at, B, at, bat, K, at, cat, M, at. While giving a paragraph, Keep it in your mind that you are giving a simple and a small paragraph so that they should feel happy when they complete reading a paragraph. This is just an example. When you are making your child read, you can introduce as many as paragraphs possible so that they will try to understand the comprehend while they are reading. You can even change the pictures like he or she, or even you can use some of the things, or you can even make paragraphs using their favorite toy and their favorite play items. So friends, hope this video is going to be a useful one for you to make your child read a paragraph using E vowel, A vowel and some of the sight words. I'll see you all in our next class. That's day 18 class. In that, I'll show you how to teach, how to introduce CVC words using I vowel. Till that, take care. Bye bye.